Hi, Jamonte from Bob Roman Subaru of Fort Wayne. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Bluetooth settings on the 2020 Subaru Ascent. Let's take a look.
This video is brought to you by Bob Roman Subaru of Fort Wayne. Find us online at SubaruofFortWayne.com.
Alright, let's go ahead and pair your phone to the 2020 Subaru Ascent. First thing you need to do is click onto your settings right there. And from there you're going to have a little bar icon at the bottom. All you need to do is click your phone. And from there it's going to ask you to add a device. You can go ahead and click add device. And from there it's going to begin the Bluetoothing process. Next thing you need is your phone. So you pull up your phone and you go to your settings. And from your settings there's going to be a Bluetooth icon. And on that Bluetooth icon is going to pop up Subaru BT. Go ahead and click on that one. And it may take a little bit, don't worry. But as long as the code device is the same here as onto your 2020 Subaru Ascent, you can go ahead and click pair. Click confirm. And there you are. Now you are connected.
Jamonte from Bob Roman Subaru of Fort Wayne. Thank you for watching this video and please come back for more content.
Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you hit subscribe and check out our channel for more videos on your Subaru.